My name is Nancy Barkley, and I am the owner and founder of Honeymoons and Getaways in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, USA. I am so excited to be speaking at the Romance Travel Industry Conference and Networking Event in Istanbul, September 6th to the 9th. Turkey is such a beautiful and captivating country. I could not be happier to be returning in September. I have been dedicated to the hospitality industry for 25 years, and travel is my passion. As a certified destination wedding and honeymoon planner, and having visited different regions in Turkey, I can tell you from firsthand experience, getting married or honeymooning in Turkey would make anybody's dreams come true. I truly cannot wait to meet with all the tourism professionals from around the world in Istanbul and speak about my passion in such a beautiful country. I proudly sit on the advisory board of the International Association of Destination Wedding Planners, and I am thrilled to be speaking at the first Eurasia chapter event. I look forward to seeing you in September.